Good morning guys! Today ay gagawa si Tors ng larong pang Pilipinas. So, birthday kasi bukas ni Turdy. So,
like this, Turdy boy.
Ito yung sinasabitan ng mga mga pagkain, chocolates. Parang piñata. Pero Filipino version. So, nabili lang namin yan sa Dollarama.
So that's what he's doing.
Now you cut it.
So that's how you do it. Only some shoes.
Turn it around. Make crisscross, and a bunny ears, and then twist it.
Twist it like a whisker. Twist it whisker. Now.
Ayan, malapit ng magkaroon ng liwanag. May pattern na.
See? Like that, square.
So, itong bamboo na to, nabili namin sa
Is that a
Dollarama.
bamboo?
Pagapangan siya ng tomato.
Yeah.
Good.
There.
Dada.
Yeah, right there. But it's
Last one. Mama.
So guys, it's done! Gawa na siya. Pabitin, DIY pabitin. Guys, tapos na yung pabitin. Ayan na siya. So, nalagyan ko na ng mga ruffle. Ayan. Hi guys, so today I want to show you how I prepare the pabitin. So I have empty plastic and this is the choices of chocolates.
Yeah, that's all.
I have KitKat, coffee cream, and hero. Now I'm going to put this. See those. This part is fine.
Then I said turn on the light, it's too dark.
Oh yeah.
So I can see.
There.
We're doing the same stuff.
Guys, ito na siya. Gawa na. Look. Mabigat siya. So, ayan. Medyo kulang pa siya dito. At saka banda dito sa gilid. Pero yun na yun. Yung aking pabitin.
Okay, go. Come here. Oh, that's yours now. You let them play now, okay?
Hop.
Hey, kids! Oh, isa daw mag-ano. Isa.
Oh.
God damn it, I'm so tall for this!
You're so tall? Okay.
Oh, join them. Join them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go. Hey. Go. Yay. Nene. Go, Nene. Go, Gabe. Go.
Get the big one. Wow,
Go. Sa dami ng wala nang nakuha.
It's okay.
Yeah. Go get more.
Enzo got one.
Come on, get more.
Yeah, you're happy? Go get more. There's a lot over there. Go. Keep. Go get more.
Oh my God!
Timer more.
Let me have a sticker.
Bryson, lamang na lamang ka na.
I got it.
Okay. Oh, wow. That's a lot. Oh, still more. Go. Okay.
Lele, go get it. Go. Tyler. Go get it, Tyler.
Last two, guys.
Nakadalawa din naman siya.
Holy.
Okay, last